Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today I'm going to explain you how to use our appointment booking template using Make. So this template will allow you to automate appointment scheduling using AI and cal.com. And by the end of this video, you'll have a working system that schedules meeting automatically. So let's get started. But maybe before we dive into the setup, I should explain you how the system works. So it's quite simple. Basically, when the user provides his availability, the rounded agent that is there sends the information to Make via webhook call, and then Make processes the information step by step. So let's dive into the Make scenario. So step one, Make receives the information via a webhook call there. Then there are two branches. The upper one is the check availability branch. Basically, Make checks if you're available according to your cal.com account in this block. Then there are two options. The first one, you are available at the requested time, and then, so it's there, then Make tells the rounded agent via a webhook call. And the second option is you are not available at the requested slot, and then, so it's upper branch there. Then OpenAI suggests 2 or 3 other slots around the former one, and Make checks if you are available at those slots, and if you are, there's a webhook call similar to this one. Then once the user says yes, let's book this slot, there's the second branch, so the schedule meeting branch, the lower one, which is basically where basically Make books your appointments on cal.com. So now you know how the system works, so let's configure it together. First, you need to import the blueprint file that we will give you with the template here. Then you need to copy the Make webhook key, so the purple link there, you copy it and you paste it in your tools in the rounded agents, so especially check availability. So you paste it there, API call settings, near the get, you paste it there, and you do the same thing in schedule meeting. So you paste it right there. Once you've done that, you need to add your OpenAI API key here. So as you can see, we use OpenAI quite a lot in the scenario to convert time and to suggest new slots. So you need to add your OpenAI API key. Then you need to add your cal.com API key there. So you need to go to your API, your cal.com accounts, parameters, API keys, and then you copy your API key and you paste it here next to bearer. And finally, you need to do a final thing. It's in the app, in the cal.com app again. So what you need to do is to copy, so you click on your event type here and you copy the last 7 digits here in the link, you copy it and you paste it down there, so here next to event type ID. Once all of this is set up, you have your agent, it's ready to use. So I suggest to try it together. Let me call him.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to book an appointment, please.
Thank you for the details. I understand you'd like to book an appointment. What time range would work best for you?
Tomorrow at 9 would be great.
Let me quickly check if this time slot is available. Great news. The time slot for tomorrow at 9 o'clock is available. May I have your name to confirm the appointment?
Yes, my name is Jacques.
Just a moment, I'm booking your slot now. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow at 9 o'clock, Jack. Thank you for your trust. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day. So now let's check if the appointment has been booked on cal.com. So here, and as you can see, tomorrow at 9 a.m. it has been booked. So it works perfectly, and that's it. So now you now have an automated scheduling system powered by Rounded and Make. And if you have any questions or if you need help, feel free to contact us on the Discord community. The link is in the description or in the comment section. So have a great day and bye.